system. Really for our listeners and mostly for my mom, what is your simplest definition of headless?
Yeah, for sure. I'm not sure my mom would be too interested in that explanation, thinking she believes I work in IT, right? It's a little bit more niche than that, I would say. But yeah, for your mom, simplest explanation I can give of a headless CMS is that it's ultimately a back-end only system designed as a content repository. So content in that repository is accessed via APIs and to display ultimately on any device. So you're separating your data, which is the body, from the presentation layer, which is the head, hence the name headless and how that came about. So what this allows developers to do is to really have the flexibility to use any front-end framework. And it also then allows content editors to reuse that content across multiple channels without being locked into any specific presentation method. And we might come to some of those cases and examples a little bit later. But hence, Storyblok as a CMS, we set about solving the content problem for both the editor and the developer, right? Giving marketers and technical developers full flexibility to build out their digital assets, mainly websites. So headless CMS as well, we're separating the front end from the back end, unlike traditional CMSs, which ultimately combine both, and they typically output their content on one specific front end, which would generally be a website.
All right.
Do you think your mom would understand that one, Chad? Or a little